Indaba engena namhlanje zithi uhulumeni wase-South Africa ulaleleni izwe libhubha. Hulumeni wase-South Africa, where is hulumeni e-South Africa? Izwe liyabhubha. INorth Korea, upresident wase-North Korea usethumele amasosha akhe eBurkina Faso. Upresident Xi Jinping wase-China, upresident uthumele amasosha eBurkina Faso. uPutin wase-Russia uthumele amasosha eBurkina Faso. Ngithi mina, where is South Africa? Izwe liyabhubha. Upresident wase-South Africa ulibele ukumunca amafinyila. Into enziwa o-China, enziwa o-Russia, kufuneka ngabe i-South Africa ibhizi behind lezo zinto kuze kusuka o-Russia no-China le ko-Asia. Kodwa la e-South Africa sine leadership engabe ibhizi isupporta u-Ibrahim Traore, njengoba nje ilokhuzi iWestern seyithumele ama-terrorist laphayana eBurkina Faso ukuthi ayo-assassinate, ayobulala lo president lo u-Ibrahim Traore. Kufanele ngabe njengamanje sibhizi eSouth Africa sizama ukuthi ngempela kwenzeka imiphi imizamo ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi we are 100% behind upresident waseBurkina Faso Ibrahim Traore. Njengamanje amasosha ase-North Korea, awase-China nawase-Russia abhizi aqeda nya ayadestroya laphayana elokhuzeni eBurkina Faso, adestroya ama-terrorist angenile khona, including nalo general lo wase-America lo fikile ekuthiwa uzobulala lo president lo u-Ibrahim Traore, lo general waselokhuzeni wase-America. Amasosha ase-Russia, China and North Korea bazofuna lo general laphayana ukuthi bamqede nya indaba yakhe. Ngithi mina eSouth Africa ngabe siyabona yini ukuthi impi ingangena noma inini? I-battlefield ye-World War III izobe ila e-Africa, in particular kuyoqalwa nge-South Africa ngoba kuyaziwa ukuthi iyona powerhouse ye-Africa, iyona enamandla kakhulu. Umbuzo uthi, where is South African leadership kule simo sika Ibrahim Traore? Ngoba thina ma-ground forces siyavela ukuthi si behind iBurkina Faso no president uIbrahim Traore, but iphi leadership yethu? Buphi ubuholi? Hayi sithi uqine qawe Ibrahim Traore, ube strong mfowethu, ngeke bakuthini, they won't touch you, they won't succeed, they won't lokhuza, they won't win, they won't succeed, they won't win, they won't win, they won't, ngeke balunge. Siphethe China, siphethe Russia, siphethe nuclear bomb, siphethe yonke into. Bazokwenzani? Ngeke bakwenze lutho. Ibrahim Traore, we are 100% behind you, Ibrahim Traore. We are 100% supporting you and behind you. If they touch you, they have touched us, and we're gonna respond decisively. Thank you so much. Sit down.